The Finnish chitara or gnocchi board. Yeah. Follow the videos to see how we use this. For the gnocchi alla Firenze, we're using garlic, onion, fresh tomatoes, oh, look at that beautiful tomato, huh? Nice. Just a quick chop. These are going to get cooked down. Olive oil. Garlic. Onion. Grandma Giovanni's wooden spoon. Bay leaf. Oregano. Fresh tomato. The red one, the green one. Oh, looking really, really good. At this point, I like to add about half a can of tomatoes. So we're going to be putting about 16 ounces of tomato puree, like this. Boiling water. Add the gnocchi a few at a time. Gnocchi are done when they float. Oh, the finished gnocchi. Touch of chopped parsley. A little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano. Oh, that's gonna be good. By the way, I made two sauces here. We got a bolognese meat sauce and we got the marinara sauce. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. And most of all, keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Very nice. You want them to be about consistent. However, you want to also go quickly. Don't want to spend a lot of time making these. Just going to take time anyway because there's so many of them. And here's some of the gnocchi pastas that I made. Looking pretty good. Again, visit your sponsor. Get the awesome cutting board.